Verifying your domain on Okta Identity Cloud is an essential step to ensure that your organization can securely manage user identities. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Log into Okta Admin Dashboard. Access your Okta Admin Dashboard by entering your administrator credentials. This is where you will manage all settings related to your organization's identity management. Step 2. Navigate to the custom domain settings. In the dashboard, go to the Settings menu and select Custom Domain. This section allows you to manage domain-related configurations, including verification. Step 3. Add your domain. Click on the option to add a new domain. Enter the domain name you wish to verify. Make sure to double-check the spelling to avoid any errors. Step 4. Follow verification instructions. After adding your domain, Okta will provide specific instructions for verification. This typically involves adding a TXT record to your domain's DNS settings. Follow the instructions carefully to ensure successful verification. Step 5. Confirm verification. Once you have added the TXT record, return to the Okta dashboard and click the Verify button. Okta will check the DNS settings, and if everything is correct, your domain will be verified. After completing these steps, your domain will be verified on Okta Identity Cloud, allowing you to utilize its features securely. If you encounter any issues, consult Okta's support resources for further assistance.